Hello, my name is Clarissa Campbell, and today I'm going to discuss the issue of public assistance or welfare fraud and propose a solution to this very common problem. Some people attempt to minimize the problem by making claims that the actual fraud only makes up about 2 to 3% of the welfare recipients. However, if this were the case, the government is still paying out between $9 and $13.5 million of taxpayer money each year. Some may even go as far as saying that this is not that much money if you look at it from the government's point of view. I, however, agree with State Representative David Reed, who asserts that if somebody is applying for benefits that they don't deserve, then we have a responsibility from a government perspective and a societal perspective to take those benefits away and use the dollars in a better form to help other folks in need. I have done extensive research into the various points of view on the topic in the last few weeks and have come up with a reform policy that I believe will dramatically increase the effectiveness of the current fraud prevention methods. First of all, I would like to address the issue of those who are purchasing illegal drugs or abusing prescription drugs using the funds rooting from the welfare assistance. In the state of Pennsylvania, random drug testing of recipients who have been convicted of a drug felony during the past 5 years has been put into place. This is a great start, but I believe that many people would still be slipping through the cracks, as most do not actually get convicted, let alone receive a felony charge. Therefore, I propose a mandatory drug test for all who are applying for or renewing benefits. I realize that some states have already put variations of this into effect in prior years with small amounts of results, but I believe that this may be due to people learning how to, quote, beat the system. In order to resolve this, I propose that all personnel are searched before and after the test, and also add an observer as is required for military testing. Additional random testing and a signed declaration may also be helpful when funding is available. Another issue that comes up with public assistance is people selling food stamps to use the money elsewhere or buying purely high-calorie junk food that is really not needed and is unfair to any children who may be in the household. Previous attempts to solve the problem of fraud have been done, including the development of the Electronic Benefit Transfer Card, or EBT, in place of the previous paper coupons, which reduces fraud by making it more difficult to sell food stamps to others. My proposed solution to both of the mentioned issues, including the further reduction or even potential elimination of